Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best brake kits is probably one of the most critical upgrades you can make to your vehicle, impacting everything from daily driving safety to track day performance, and choosing the right set can be a daunting task given the myriad of options available, but fear not, as we're here to guide you through the essential factors that separate a good kit from a great one, ensuring you get the stopping power and reliability your car deserves. Number 5. PowerStop C36 Truck and Tow Brake Kit. Introducing the PowerStop C36 Truck and Tow Brake Kit, engineered for superior performance. This upgrade is designed to handle the demands of towing, hauling, and challenging terrains. Experience reliable stopping power with our carbon fiber ceramic brake pads and drilled and slotted rotors. They are built to provide exceptional performance and longevity. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need for a full front and rear brake replacement. It features high-quality rotors and pads designed to work seamlessly together. Tackle steep descents and heavy loads with confidence. Our Z36 kit significantly reduces brake fade, ensuring consistent and powerful braking when you need it most. Outperform your stock brakes with this advanced upgrade. It's the perfect solution for truck, SUV, and 4x4 owners seeking enhanced stopping power and durability. Specifically designed to fit your Toyota Tundra, Land Cruiser, Sequoia, and Lexus LX 570. Enjoy a perfect fit and an immediate improvement in your braking experience. What we like. This kit is engineered for heavy-duty use, offering superior stopping power for trucks and SUVs. It's designed to combat brake fade under strenuous conditions like towing or hauling. If you frequently tow heavy loads, drive in mountainous terrain, or have a lifted truck, this is the upgrade you need for reliable performance. What people say. Performance is excellent, especially while towing. The stopping power feels strong and confident. Much better stopping power for towing tool utility trailers and large construction equipment, as well as a cleaner appearance. They have all the grip you'll need for heavy towing without being bitey and harsh unloaded. They're completely silent, produce next to no dust at all, and last far longer than OEM. Number 4. PowerStop S4299 High-Temp Red Calipers. Introducing the PowerStop S4299 Calipers, a direct bolt-on upgrade for your vehicle's stock brakes. No modifications are needed for installation, making it an easy enhancement. Each caliper is 100% pressure tested to ensure optimal performance and reliability. You can trust in their quality for your braking needs. The vibrant red powder coating not only looks great but also provides excellent protection against rust and corrosion. This ensures long-lasting durability for your calipers. Everything you need for a seamless installation is in the box. This includes all necessary hardware such as seals, pins, boots, and mounting brackets. Enjoy peace of mind with a 90-day or 3,000-mile warranty on these calipers. This covers both the driver's and passenger's side for a complete set. Before purchasing, please use the Amazon Confirmed Fit tool to verify compatibility with your specific vehicle. Additional notes may be available for certain applications. What we like. These calipers provide a direct bolt-on enhancement to your existing braking system without requiring modifications. They are 100% pressure tested for assured performance and feature a durable, easy-to-clean red powder coating. If you're looking to upgrade the aesthetics and performance of your vehicle's braking system with a reliable, high-quality component, these are an excellent choice. What people say. The rotors are very well made and balanced. The pads provide excellent stopping power and don't produce much dust. Installation was straightforward and the kit included all necessary hardware. Number 3. PowerStop K212 Brake Kit for Infiniti Nissan. Introducing the PowerStop K212 Brake Kit, a complete solution for your vehicle's braking needs. This kit provides everything you need for a full upgrade in one convenient package. Experience superior stopping power with our Z23 carbon fiber ceramic brake pads. They offer a significant boost over OE replacements, ensuring you can stop quickly and confidently. Enjoy an ultra-quiet ride and long-lasting performance with these advanced brake pads. They are designed to provide reliable braking mile after mile. Our drilled and slotted rotors are engineered to vent heat effectively, preventing brake fade. The silver zinc dichromate plating also protects against rust and corrosion for extended durability. This kit comes with a comprehensive 60-day 36-month 36,000-mile limited warranty. You can trust in the performance and protection it offers. Before purchasing, please confirm your vehicle's fitment using the Amazon Confirmed Fit tool or by checking the product description. This may be delivered in multiple boxes. What we like. This kit offers a significant upgrade over stock brakes with its advanced carbon fiber ceramic pads for enhanced stopping power and quiet operation. The drilled and slotted rotors are designed to stay cooler and resist rust. If you're seeking a balance of improved performance, longevity, and a cleaner look for your vehicle, this kit is a solid option. What people say. The rotors are very well made and have a great finish. The brake pads provide excellent stopping power and don't produce much dust. Installation was straightforward and the kit included all necessary hardware. Number 2. PowerStop K1418 Brake Kit for Cadillac XLR and Corvette. Introducing a complete brake upgrade kit designed for your vehicle. This all-in-one package provides everything you need for a full system enhancement. Experience superior stopping power with our upgraded carbon fiber ceramic pads. They offer improved performance over original equipment, ensuring a quieter and more durable ride. Our drilled and slotted rotors are engineered to dissipate heat effectively, preventing fade. The silver zinc dichromate plating provides robust protection against rust and corrosion. This kit includes front and rear drilled and slotted disc rotors, Z23 carbon fiber ceramic brake pads, and all necessary installation hardware. It's a direct replacement for a seamless upgrade. Please confirm your vehicle's fitment using the provided tools on the page. This product may arrive in multiple boxes. Enjoy peace of mind with our comprehensive warranty. This product is backed by a 60-day 36-month 36,000-mile limited warranty for your protection. What we like. Experience a notable boost in stopping power with these carbon fiber ceramic pads, which also ensure an ultra-quiet ride. The rotors are engineered to be cooler and more resistant to cracking, while the protective plating guards against corrosion. If you prioritize a quiet, high-performance braking experience with enhanced durability and a sleek appearance, this kit is ideal. What people say. No squeal, solid braking response, and they look very nice. Hey, no rust like GM rotors. Great product with a great look and performs well. Easy install and no issues whatsoever. Awesome stopping power on my 2007 C6 base. Number 1. PowerStop KC2853A Performance Brake Kit. Experience a significant upgrade in your vehicle's braking performance. This kit is designed for superior stopping power and control. Tired of brake dust? Our advanced ceramic pads produce up to 30% less dust than original equipment, keeping your wheels cleaner. The drilled and slotted rotors feature a zinc-plated finish for maximum rust protection. This silver zinc dichromate plating not only looks great but also prevents corrosion. Our red powder-coated calipers are built to last. The easy-to-clean coating resists rust and corrosion, extending their lifespan and adding a touch of style. Ensure a perfect fit for your Chrysler 300, Dodge Challenger, or Charger. Please use the Amazon Fitment tool to confirm compatibility with your specific model and year. This kit is engineered for specific dual-piston front caliper models, including select Chrysler 300, Dodge Charger, and Dodge Challenger vehicles from 2012 to 2021. Always verify fitment. What we like. This comprehensive kit includes performance-enhanced components designed for low dust output, keeping your wheels cleaner. The drilled and slotted rotors feature zinc plating for superior rust protection, and the red powder-coated calipers add both style and durability. If you're looking for a complete brake upgrade that offers improved aesthetics, reduced dust, and long-lasting protection against the elements, this is the kit for you. What people say. Great stopping power plus love the look. It was an easy swap over from the original stock brake system in my 2016 Dodge Challenger. Stops on a dime. Easy to install, fit perfectly. I love the Z23 pads, they stop nice and the rotors make for a very smooth stop. Plus it looks great too. Performance is amazing and look is to die for. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.